Alright, so today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to pour a perfect rosetta, and I'm going to be using MILKLAB soy milk. A rosetta is the leaf-like fern-looking pattern that you've probably seen at your favourite cafe, and it all comes down to one thing, and that is the wriggling of your wrist. In today's video, I'll be breaking down the 2 parts that you'll need to master to be able to pour a beautiful rosetta. Now, you want to start off your pour how you would with any latte art, and that is by swirling your espresso and your milk to make sure they're both workable. Next, tilt your cup towards you and you want to pour in a thin stream from about 5 centimeters away. Your milk should fall through the crema, leaving you a beautiful brown canvas to pour your art on. Once you reach halfway, you can start with the first part of pouring a rosetta, and that is pouring the base. You want to pour just above the center, and once you see the white, begin to wriggle your wrist. The milk will come out and begin to wrap around your cup, creating a hypnotizing pattern. This is your base. Then we get to the second part of pouring a rosetta, which is the neck. As you pour, push forward with the tip of your jug, and this will push your base forward, leaving room for the neck. Then speed up your pour and pull back in the cup as you wriggle your wrist to create this long and elegant neck. Then pull up into a thin stream and pull through. And that is how you pour a beautiful rosetta with soy milk. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more alternative milk tips and tricks, and check out the full series of barista basics that we've done with MILKLAB. Go for it.